I'm here with Laurie from Beckhoff. Laurie, what is it that Beckhoff does?
Hello. Beckhoff Automation, we produce an automation system for industry and for buildings and everything you can imagine, basically. We are a medium-sized controls company, and we've been going about 35 years, still owned by Hans Beckhoff, over in Werl in Germany. He's still there every day, and his family are now coming up through the company as well. So it's a nice German-run family company. Very technology bias. We like to increase our technology. We don't expand via acquisitions. We expand via our technology. Here we have our new one cable technology, EtherCap P. It's designed to remove panel space from machinery, so reducing cabling. So we have our EtherCat field bus and power down the same cable. So for standard I/O, we have one cable that feeds our bus and power. That's expanding into drives now as well. So we have distributed drives. So we have power modules that supply the DC bus to the distribution box, and then the DC bus to the drive, with the controller on the end of the drive, on the end of the motor, which we've gone for an extended motor length rather than changing the cage size. We go from, down here on the cables, we go from 24 volts all the way up to 630 volts, 64 amps. So for production lines, it's a reduction of the panel sizes and panels in the whole machinery. We have a PC-based technology.
Yeah, should we have a little look round and you can show me?
Yeah. So we use PC technology. We use a software PLC based on Windows. So we run underneath Windows, but it gives us the benefits of up to Windows 10 for connectivity, for our HMI, for cloud computing. So with Industry 4.0 and IoT, is something that we've been dealing with for the life of the company, because we've always been PC based. So connectivity up to the cloud is natural for us. It's something we've been doing for a long time. So we sort of say it's welcome to the party, boys. We've been doing it for a long time. So our PLC runs underneath Windows, and then we have a very easy connection in software up into the cloud. It's native to us. It's not a problem. Over the next system along here is our XTS, which is running.
Let's have a look at that
over here. Yep. So this is our XTS system. It stands for Extended Transport System. It's very much in the packaging industry. This is our new version, which is our IP69 range, FDA approved. So you can see that it's running wet, running in the water. So this is a new product for us. We also have in standard just IP65 as well. It's been a big product for us, a big seller.
Fantastic. And what kind of technologies are you, do you want to come around this way? What kind of technologies are you developing within the company?
I mean, at the moment there's a lot of IoT and sort of cloud computing technologies coming along. We have a new HMI that came out earlier this year, which is all HTML5 based. So again, works with cloud computing and connectivity. So there's a lot of new products within the technology, within the cloud computing and connectivity range. Also more scientific as well. So we have some very high quality, high range, high resolution IOs. So we're up to 50,000 samples a second and 24-bit. So it's a very big competitor in the scientific community.
Fantastic. Can I have, this has caught my attention over here. What's going on here? Can you talk us through this?
So this is our packaging stand. So it's showing our system running as a packaging machine. Very drives orientated. We can see all of our drive range at the bottom. Our drive range goes from very small, 12mm servo card that runs at 50 volts and drives a specially wound 50-volt motor, all the way up to 480 volts for America on our bigger drives. And the bigger drives, we have two versions. We have a 5000 for the higher current range, and then an 8000, which is a bookcase drive that's on the lower current but much smaller range of drives.
Fantastic, some really impressive stuff. Now, why is it really important for you guys to be here at PPMA?
Packaging's a big area for us, so it is the packaging show, so we want to show our equipment off, and as you can see, show our packaging options. I mean, the XTS that we just looked at a moment ago is a very large packaging system. It can really change the shape of a packaging machine, make it much smaller, much faster and much more flexible. So we do have a large offering in the packaging industry, along with being able to do all of the connectivity up to the cloud just natively with our PC control.
Fantastic. And what's like the highlight of the show for you, do you think?
For us on our stand, it will be the hygienic XTS, and also again the connectivity of the systems.
Well, Laurie, thank you so much for chatting to us. Have a fantastic show, and thanks for the tour.
Okay, thank you, no problem.